Tonight we are going down there to Universal Studios Hollywood for the grand opening of Super Nintendo World, the big red carpet event that Universal Studios Hollywood is live streaming. They have invited us out for this special event. We are beyond excited and grateful to be here, and we're gonna bring you along for the whole experience. So yeah, we're in a hotel that has a theme park view, and we're gonna go down there. From our room, we can see Super Nintendo World all lit up. So let's go down. In just a few short minutes, we'll be heading in to Super Nintendo World for our first look. Haven't really seen any pictures or video of this park at night, and we are incredibly excited. When we go in, first we'll watch the grand opening celebration, and then we'll be able to explore the land, and I'll show you around as we see it for the first time ever. And we have a little gift. Let's find out what it is. We have two power-up bands, Princess Peach and Daisy. So which one do you want, Sam?
I'll take Daisy.
Okay, fine. I think they're both really cool.
Yeah.
And these allow you to do interactive games inside the land.
There you go. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Happy to be rocking Daisy.
Yeah, Daisy's cool. She's like rare, you know? And of course, we enter the land through a warp pipe, so see you there. Here we go. Are we in Princess Peach's castle right now? I think so. Look, the golden mushrooms. Princess Peach.
Wow.
All right, we are inside. Soon they'll be doing a presentation. Universal Studios Hollywood is live streaming this event as well. And then we'll be able to explore the land.
We invite you tonight to come together in extraordinary ways. Universal Parks and Resorts Pacific Rim, Tom Merriman.
Welcome everybody. Thank you so much for joining us on this very special occasion. The energy I'm hearing are as thrilled as we are for the opening, the grand opening of Super Nintendo World.
Woo!
We're thrilled. Yeah. All right. To Mark Woodbury, our Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of Universal Parks and Resorts. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you, Tom. Good evening, everybody. What a wonderful night to be celebrating this amazing addition to this fantastic park. I'm thrilled to be here to welcome you. I know you're ready. I know you're excited. We're going to add another Super Nintendo World to Universal Orlando Resort. Secret in history. How many stories to like? The stars of Super Nintendo World. Princess Peach, Mario, and Luigi. Hi guys, thanks for coming. Great to have you, but where's Mario?
Hey, hello!
Thank you for joining us. And now it gives me great pleasure to introduce to you one of the greatest creative minds of our time, the visionary behind everything you see here tonight, Representative Director and Fellow of Nintendo, Mr. Shigeru Miyamoto. Watching from Aramba. Wow. Mario, Luigi, and Princess Peach.
Yay!
Hello, friends.
Yay!
ずいぶんね、高いとこから出てきましたよね。
That was quite a trek you made all the way from up there.
We are! Yeah!
We need your help in making a countdown
Yes!
to the opening of Super Nintendo World here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Are you ready?
Yeah!
3,
2, 1.
Friends and
Look,
guests,
everything's
we
fun.
invite you to discover and play in Super Nintendo World.
There are all sorts of interactive games in this land. We have our power-up bands, so we're gonna try to do what we can. We're gonna get to ride the ride tonight. People are playing the games. This is so cool. Everything looks so fluid and it's like we're in the game. This is amazing. How cool were those fireworks? Even though we were behind the mushroom, still super cool.
Go on. Ah, there you go. So you're adding coins now. Oh, I need. I think there's like a limit. You can't take all the coins. Let me get some coins.
Yeah. Yeah, there you go.
I let you have a few more than me.
Thank you. The shop in here is called One Up Factory. The food establishment is called Toadstool Cafe. We got the Thwomp is Thwompin'. There is so much movement, so much happening. It looks so cool.
Oh, it's gonna be like a fruity, like a little like. Have you had Starburst before?
Yeah.
Kind of like that.
Okay, lemon squash
Superstar.
superstar. Okay, awesome. Thank you so much. Boba.
That's exactly what I needed right
He
now.
chose such a cool presentation. It was so cool how Mario like worked down.
Yeah, he went down the
That was
pipe.
so cool.
Like, it just looks, everywhere you look, something is moving, something is happening. I
All
can't
the
wait to
music.
explore. It's so cool.
I like Nintendo is awesome at music.
Yeah.
And the Super Mario World
Just puts you
music.
in the best mood. Yay! You got him!
Your turn. Damn, you gotta get him.
I feel like I have to jump.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. I should have jumped. I want to get those. Pow.
Can you jump that high?
Let me try.
Alright, try. I think it counts.
I tried. And the ride that's in this land, Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge. We'll be riding that tonight. Damn, we're warping. Wow, it's so pretty. Yoshi. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go ride. Look, warp tunnels. Like, this is so cool. Thank you. Oh, wow. I feel like my shirt's gonna glow. Thank you. It does, my shirt glows. Woohoo! This is a beautiful queue. So pretty. Is my shirt glowing?
Yes. And your teeth.
Oh, look at the cool uniforms. Hey. Oh, it's like magical. Ooh. Yoshi's apples. Boop, boop. This ride moves along a track and includes sudden accelerations, turning and spinning, as well as augmented reality simulations of a high-speed race. Wow, look at how cool!
Going into Bowser's.
And from up here, look at this view of the world. Yoshi!
Oh yeah.
That's like me when I'm walking around.
He does walk like that.
I do walk like that, don't I?
He also makes some of the same noises.
All right, let's go in. Got Bowser. All right, we're ready to face Bowser. He looks so cool. He's just looking at you, eye level. I like his decorating style. Very villain in a castle. Oh, the music! Look, we've got awards for racing excellence. We're gonna try to win one.
Bowser's looking at you.
Oh, look how cool!
Ah, the Universal Mario Kart trophy. We're gonna win it.
We're gonna win it! Hey Mario, I challenge you to a race. Come to my castle and don't chicken out. Gwahahaha! What good villain doesn't have a giant portrait of themselves in their own castle? The sets in here are awesome. Look at the airship. Bullet Bill! Bill Blaster! Ghost!
Matches your shirt.
He does! Boo! Look at the fireballs! Like, we gotta jump through them. Don't bring bananas to a shell fight. Battle tactics. Piranha plant care and feeding. The spiny shell cometh. Yoshi's story. Surviving Rainbow Road. I could sit here for hours and look at all of this. How to talk to princesses. Yeah, he needs to practice in that. Look, it's Princess Peach. I guess she's in another castle.
Peach's castle is where we came in.
Oh, I know. I'm just, you know, the princess is another castle. Come on, come on, get with the program. Oh, we love her.
Bowser's a big fan of hers.
He is a big fan. Look at this. Wow. Feeding schedule. Well, we know he takes care of his piranha plants, so I like that. He's got books on how to care for them. Mecha Koopa. This is beautifully themed. Absolutely incredible. I feel like the more we come back and do this, we're gonna notice new things every time. But I guess right now we're gonna ride. Ooh, it's getting creepier. Oh yeah, the back of Bowser. His shell looks so nice. Keep out, it is so cool. I can't get over it. I'm like, ba-bombs! They look awesome. We're almost at riding time. We're about to race. The pressure's on. I'm always slipping. I fly
You gotta mind those
outside.
bananas.
I am not a
We played Mario Party not that long ago.
Yeah, we did. And we recently played Super Mario Brothers.
Yeah. And Odyssey. So, you know, we've been...
Super Mario Brothers, I was kicking butt, wasn't I?
Yeah.
I was.
Yeah, you were better than me.
Yeah.
The classics.
Yeah, the classics. That's where I excel.
I'm about the 3D
yeah,
Marios.
You love the newer, fancier games.
Yeah.
And the classic old school games, I am just.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Looks like the pre-show area.
Hey Mario Racers, this is your favorite stadium. Please come in and fill the room as we prepare your carts for the race.
Good dance, I like it. Yeah! Team Mario!
Let's go.
3, 2, 1. Please fill the room and prepare to race for the Universal Golden Cup.
Oh, she's awesome. How cool is this? The costumes, the racing costumes.
Please come in and make room for all racers. As we prepare to race the green, that's for the no flags or car.
Hello, thank you.
Thank you. Here you go. Enjoy.
Thanks so much. Okay, so we pop this on. Here we go.
There's a knob on the back so you can loosen it like this.
Yeah.
So that's quite comfortable.
And it is, it's like a soft rubber, so it's very comfortable on your head. I think it's a look, I think it's a vibe. Here is the boarding area. Ah! Woohoo! Hello, oh, we go in? Okay, we're boarding. Okay. Lap bar all the way down. Oh, it just goes on. Okay, you got yours?
Yeah.
We're gonna go in and we're gonna race, and then yeah, we'll see you after. Now you take these off, and they go back here somewhere, and then this is like a separate thing. So there are sets and things happening everywhere, but a lot takes place in here, and it's like augmented onto the sets. So it's in here. It's very, very clever, very interesting. Rainbow Road was fun.
I've never been on anything like this.
Never experienced a ride like this. It was cool. So now I just boop. Cool. Sam, what did we win?
The Universal.
Yeah. Universal Mario Kart Award! Woo!
Great racers.
Yay! Woohoo! So we are exiting through the gift shop, and what a gift shop it is. So cute. Brand new opening day merchandise they've put out. This is wild.
That is one.
That's wild. That is cool. Cooling towels, that's cool. Little like ID holders, pins. Here it says Peach, Bowser. Here are the different power-up bands that are on offer right now. They're $40. So they're interactive, and the games that you play, it connects through the app, and you get points and coins, and it all like works together. Awesome popcorn bucket. I love it. We absolutely need these hats. They have constructed some press stands right now for the media and press that were here today. However, you can see Princess Peach's castle back there, and it is adorable, and we will be back during the day to have a better look at that, but it's so pretty. I think we should play some games. So you can purchase the power-up bands right out here if you want to play, and you should play.
Right, go ahead.
Thank you. All right, so my hands are cold, and I'm going to warm them up by playing, this is called the Goomba.
You're going to be playing Goomba Crazy Crate.
Goomba Crazy Crate.
Okay.
All right, go ahead and spin that crate.
Keep going. Yay!
And you're all to the next.
Yay! Thank you.
You want to try? This is just one of the interactive games in the land, and I was having a little trouble with my badge flapping around, but I still knocked them down, so you know. The team members in here are so friendly, right?
Yeah, they're so helpful. They're like explaining the games and how to win. Well, not how to win, but how to.
They're like giving us tips.
Yeah, there's different games all around, and they're all interactive, and you use your power-up band to play them, and you have to get 3 coins, and once you get the coins, then you can go in and do a special game. So we're going to try, hopefully, and get the coins. We've got one. Well, you did it.
Yeah, I did it.
But
we're gonna
first,
try.
there's someone Jackie wants to meet.
Princess Peach, my friends. Oh my gosh,
My absolute favorite.
So, have you been having a great time?
The best thing. The best time. It's beautiful. As are you, the dress, everything. I'm starstruck.
Wow, you've collected so many coins.
Yes, we're collecting so many coins. We're gonna do more.
Smile.
1, 2, 3. Perfect. Power up. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Farewell, dear friend. I'll see you again soon.
I will, Princess Peach. Hi. Oh my God, she's so cute. I can't believe it. Now we're gonna play Piranha Plant Nap Mishap.
Yay! Go, run, run, run!
Thank you so much. Were you impressed?
I was cracking up laughing, but I was impressed. You were real committed.
I couldn't believe I did it.
I can't believe you did it. You were running fast.
All right, so now we heard that Mario and Luigi are coming out. So our boys are gonna come out. We're in line to meet them.
Okay.
Woo! They're scanning our power-up band whenever we meet characters too. We're gonna get little badges, like everything's recorded in there. It's super gamified. It's like a big fun game. And the more you visit, the more you can do, which is super cool. Mario and Luigi! Hello!
Hey, hello!
Hello! I love to meet you both. Hello! You guys look great. It's so nice to meet you. I need to see them both here. Look at this.
Luigi time! It's gonna be a good one.
Yay, thank you.
Nice to meet you, friend.
I'm gonna play the Koopa Troopa Power Punch. First, I've learned how to play.
This will be your third coin. You did it!
I can't believe I did it! I didn't even understand what was happening at first, but then I got it. He's got to be in the middle, but you have to like plan ahead.
Yeah. So that's your third coin. So now, let's go in here, I think.
So whenever you're ready, go ahead and walk right inside.
Alright.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe we did it the first night.
It's Bowser Jr.
Bowser Jr.
What happens if you hit that block?
Oh, here we go.
Oh. The final game.
See the golden mushroom?
Yes.
Can you believe this?
We're gonna defeat Bowser Jr.
Ready? Like, I didn't think we would be able to do it.
Here we go.
Okay.
Welcome, heroes. You've done well to make it this far. Up ahead is your final showdown with Bowser Jr.
Oh my gosh. Thank you. Hi. Thank you. My brave friends, you were spectacular. Thank you for helping us find the golden mushroom. We could not have done it without you. Seriously, that was so good. That was like my favorite thing. Me too. It was amazing. Ah!
Definitely worth getting the 3 coins because that was like one of the best things you've done.
Y'all need to do that, and you need to tag me when Princess Peach thanks you so that I know you did it too. There are all sorts of little ah! It's like a Pixel Mario. Hold on, I'm gonna get Pixel Mario too. Yay! Okay, now we're going upstairs into some sort of secret chamber. This music is the best. Oh, look where we are! First of all, let's get everything. Yes! Yes!
It's so fun.
It's so fun.
And just hit blocks.
Yeah. Yes! Do it again. Wow!
Yay!
And then you get to go out onto the castle balcony and look out over the world. It looks even cooler. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, look at this.
Oh, you see actual real people down there mixed with the characters.
What? And then they like add another layer on. That's amazing.
Oh.
I didn't even notice like so much of what was happening up here. Like I saw part of it, but not all of it. So I think you can like, oh, you can like zoom in and zoom out.
Zoom all the way in.
Fireworks!
Oh yeah.
Oh look, a tiny little hidden.
Get it. You got it.
Ah! Oh my God, look! Neat! How cool! So it's like you actually are seeing it, and then like extra thick. Oh! Can I get it? Oh, run away! That is. Oh wow! So awesome. That's such a fun, clever little thing. You can see what's actually happening out there, and then you can see little extra things. You can zoom in and see more. Hello. They do look, everything looks so fluid. Look at like the glittering snow on the trees. The clouds. This is awesome. I absolutely love the music. The castle looks so great. Everything looks great. This is just great. I honestly think this is one of the coolest things I have ever seen. I'm blown away, honestly. It looks even better than I thought it would. And not just that, it's even funner than I thought it would be. All the interactive games that you can play, you have to do them. You have to do them. And yes, you gotta have the power up in. You just got to. Like, it's so clever. It's so well done. It's so immersive. And everything looks like a beautiful, like you are inside the video game. Like, this is just... Now we will come back and do some daytime fun here and also try food inside of Toadstool Cafe. And we can't wait to do that. Everything looks so cute. Oh yeah, I need some garlic knots. I love the music, the colors, the lights, the games, the ride. I don't want to go. I don't want to go. Like, we'll be back though. We'll be back. And when we come back during the day, we'll get a better look at Princess Peach's castle. We love it. We just love it. This is all set up for the event tonight here for the grand opening. And then we'll see it tomorrow in its purest form. All right, Sam, are you ready to warp on out of here?
We're ready.
I think it's so cute.
Like the paintings, you jump into the level.
Yeah, yeah.
I think it's the music in there from Super Mario 64. Oh, such a mess.
We will be back. And we're back in our hotel room. And let me tell you, we had an amazing time tonight. I knew from like seeing little pictures and things that Super Nintendo World looked really cool, looked really neat. I knew it looked immersive and just really pretty and colorful and bright, but it definitely looks even better when you're there. And we were so happy and pleased that we loved it as much as we did. We love it as much as we do because we will be back. We're going back again tomorrow during the day to do more and eat the food and see and do so much more. But it was really great to be there tonight. And thank you so much to Universal Studios Hollywood for inviting us out to be part of the grand opening. Just an honor to be there amongst all the wonderful people, all the team members and the creative team who worked on bringing this world to life. Y'all did an amazing job. You really, really did. And we did actually become Universal Studios Hollywood annual pass holders. We went ahead and purchased annual passes because we love the park. We really, really do. We're spending time in the park also doing other things, and that'll be in a separate video. But as for this, I just, again, can't say how much of an honor it was to be there tonight and get to see the grand opening with the creator of Mario. Like, how cool was that? And all of the wonderful team, again, who just brought to life an immersive, colorful, bright world of Super Mario. Awesome. Mario, Luigi, Princess Peach. Oh, I did also want to say, meeting those characters, phenomenal, phenomenal. They talk, they look so cute. They say such cute things. Everybody was giddy, like everybody. Everyone who met them was like just gleeful. So again, yeah, thank you so much for being with us tonight. I am sending you all a ton of love. I'll see you for the next video. And until then, as always, stay enthused. Bye.